Firstly, have a general clean of the walls and windows, and importantly, remove any unwanted clutter like personal photographs and trinkets. Next, give your home a facelift, which is a crucial part of the process. Make any minor repairs such as patching holes in walls or replacing cracked tiles. Painting in neutral colours will help give your home a contemporary feel. Consider furnishings that could add style to your home. Add matching towels and accessories to the bathrooms. Spruce up your outdoors by gardening and using flowering plants to give a welcoming feel. Ensure your house number is clearly visible. And finally, enter your front door and ask, do you want to go inside? And if the answer is yes, then your goal is complete.